Hey there, have you ever heard this phrase, help, I've fallen and I can't get up? Well, I think we can all relate to that feeling, especially when life throws us those unexpected curveballs. You never expect to get injured or sick, but let's face it, things do happen. One minute you're feeling fine and the next you're facing months or maybe even years off work. But here's the good news. With the right disability insurance, you can protect your paycheck and avoid a financial disaster. Today, I'm here to talk about how disability insurance can save your financial future, especially if you're a federal or a postal employee. You know, you've worked hard, you've put in the hours, and the last thing that you want to lose is your income because of an unexpected injury or illness. But here's the thing, many people don't even realize how vulnerable they are until it's too late. I get phone calls every single day here at the benefit coordinators of people wanting disability insurance when they're already disabled. Yeah. Have you ever tried calling the auto insurance company and saying, hey, can I get insurance? I just got in an accident. It don't work, folks. But let's start by talking about what disability insurance actually is. You may have heard about a short-term disability and long-term disability, but what do they cover? Short-term disability kicks in when you're unable to work for a short period of time, like after a surgery or an injury. It's meant to replace a portion of your income for a limited time, usually 1 year. Long-term disability, on the other hand, is the backup plan that can keep you afloat for a much longer period of time, maybe even years. For many federal employees, it's a crucial lifeline. If something big happens, like a debilitating illness or an accident that takes you out of work for an extended period of time. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm healthy. I don't need to worry about that. Well, the truth is disability can happen to anyone. Think about it. According to statistics, 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will actually experience a disability before they retire. That's right, 25%, just like you. This is why it's critical to protect your income because, let's face it, bills don't stop just because you can't work. You can't use that excuse. Imagine being out of work and having to pay your mortgage, rent, utilities, groceries, and other expenses without a steady income. It's scary, isn't it? But here's the thing. You don't have to live in fear. By having the right disability coverage in place, you're making sure that you're covered no matter what life throws your way. Okay, so you're a federal employee or even a postal worker. What does this mean for you? Well, the great thing is if you're enrolled in the Federal Employee Retirement System or FERS, you have access to disability benefits built right in. But here's the catch. Not everyone understands exactly what those benefits cover and how to maximize them. Under FERS, if you become disabled, you're eligible for a portion of your salary as a replacement income. This benefit continues as long as you're considered disabled. Sounds pretty great, right? But here's the tricky part. You have to know how to apply for it and when to supplement it with private disability insurance. That's where we come in, and we'll tell you about that in a moment. If you've enjoyed our videos, we would consider it a point of pride if you would click the like and the subscribe buttons. Clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We have also provided to you at no cost a free copy of our downloadable e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. It's chock full of all the information that you really never cared to know about. And if you desire, you can also purchase it from Amazon. And now, back to our video. At the Benefit Coordinators, we specialize in helping federal employees and postal workers navigate the confusing world of disability benefits. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you've been in service for years, it's crucial to understand how these benefits work, because you need to know them and how to make them work for you if you need them. So let's break it down with a simple checklist. Income protection. Your paycheck keeps coming in even if you can't work. Peace of mind. you don't have to worry about how you're going to pay your bills. Medical bills. You have the financial support to recover without rushing back to work too soon. Disability insurance is like a financial safety net. Without it, you would be risking everything that you've worked so hard to build. Think about it. Do you want to leave your financial security to chance? Yeah, right. And listen, I get it. No one likes to think about the what ifs, but trust me, when it comes to your financial future, preparing for the unexpected is the best way actually to ensure that you and your family are protected. Because the last thing that you want to do is to be left saying, help, I've fallen and I can't get up, both physically and financially. But what the heck, what the heck? You can always go to GoFundMe, right? They'll help out. Sure they will. I'm happy to pay. Not. So what can you do next? It's simple. Book a call with us here at the Benefit Coordinators. We'll take a look at your situation, help you understand your current benefits, and recommend any changes or any supplemental coverage that you might need. It's quick, it's easy, it's painless, and it saves you a world of financial trouble down the road. Remember, life happens fast. Be prepared, protect your paycheck, and if you ever find yourself thinking, help, I've fallen and I can't get up, know that you've covered if you have disability coverage. We're here to make sure that you have the disability insurance that you need and to keep it with you for your entire working career. So until next time, take care and don't forget, call the Benefit Coordinators.